In this video, I will show you exactly how to manage your workspace by clearing out your chat history within NotebookLM. Dealing with long conversations can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, so knowing how to start fresh is a very useful skill to have. To get started with the process, you first need to open the specific notebook where you want to perform the cleanup. Once you have your notebook open and ready to go, take a moment to look over at the chat window on your screen. You will want to move your eyes right toward the very top of that interface. There, you're going to see a small icon consisting of 3 dots arranged in a line. This is the menu button where all the extra settings are tucked away. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will instantly appear before you. Inside this menu, you will see a clear and simple option to delete your chat history. It is very straightforward and easy to find once you know where to look. When you are ready to proceed, just go ahead and click on that option from the list. As soon as you make that selection, you will notice that the entire chat history will vanish right before your eyes, leaving you with a perfectly blank slate for your next research session or project idea. This is a wonderful way to keep your thoughts organized and remove any clutter that might be distracting you from your current goals. By following these simple steps, you can maintain a much cleaner and more efficient workflow every single time you use this powerful tool. It really only takes a few seconds to achieve a totally fresh start. Now you have all the knowledge needed to manage your workspace like a professional. Thank you so much for watching this quick guide, and I hope this helps you stay productive while you are exploring all the incredible features that NotebookLM has to offer for your daily work.